Look at the camera.
They didn't write good.
Yeah.
I don't like the writing.
Look. I think you might could read the words in this.
Just to look at it.
Alright. Turn the page.
That one is oh,
I like greasy. $129 bleaching special. That's cheap. Garrett, come here. Are you gonna spend the night tonight?
the water saying.
Are you gonna do the sprinkler? Are we gonna do tie-dye?
They're doing field day Tuesday. And I'm wanting to know if anybody wants to volunteer.
I gotta look and see if I gotta work. But if I don't, I can.
I see Judy. Yeah. Look, they ripped something.
No,
Are you gonna shake it?
Can I see it now?
No. No.
How can I?
Garrett, you know what? You are too loud, and now you got a red spot on your nose.
sit down.
Your Aunt Shell put a spot on your nose. You want to see it? Look. Do you see it?
That's your neck.
Can I see it?
No.
No. Make a movie of this. Can I see it now?
No. You weirdo.
Please, please.
No.
Oh,
Garrett.
You'll do what?
please, can I?
What will you do?
Please. I still didn't make a movie. Still make a movie. I'll give you a hug if you make a movie.
I don't want your crappy old hug.
Then I'm giving you my crappy old hug.
Look how I did to his nose. Lord. Show your mama.
You want to look outside for a minute? Be good. Garrett.
What did they do to your teeth?
What do I have between your teeth?
Do I have broccoli between my teeth? Look at your teeth. Mm-mm.